I've been telling people for over a year now to get out of China, and for the last month, I've been telling people to get out of the market. And I went to 60% cash, but I think it's going to be so bad. I've shorted China, I've shorted the NASDQ, I've shorted the SP 500, and today I shorted the banks because possibly you've seen the same headlines I have, and I knew the Chinese banks were going to fail, but now I see Credit Suisse and Deutsche Bank have got their backs against the wall because of their bad financial practices and the fraud. And I gotta believe that our banks are in a similar position. And I gotta believe that over the last 40 years, our banks and Deutsche and Swiss invested in China. And China's going down. I shorted the banks today, and I'll share with you how I've done these shorts and how I think you can make a little bit of money in the disaster that's about to come.